Today, we're diving into the exciting world of investing in the stock market and how you can make money through trading. If you've ever wondered how to grow your wealth through smart financial decisions, you're in the right place. When it comes to the stock market, the potential for profits is immense. With careful research and strategic decision-making, you have the opportunity to see significant returns on your investments. However, it's important to remember that investing in the stock market comes with risks, so it's crucial to approach it with a well-thought-out plan. One key strategy for beginners is to start with small investments in strong companies. By focusing on companies with solid track records and stable growth potential, you can minimize your risk while still reaping the rewards of a growing market. It's also essential to understand the distinction between investing and trading. Investing typically involves buying and holding onto assets for the long term, with the goal of seeing gradual growth over time. On the other hand, trading involves more frequent buying and selling of assets in an attempt to capitalize on short-term market fluctuations. Both strategies have their own benefits and risks, so it's important to choose the approach that aligns best with your financial goals and risk tolerance. By the way, if you want to know of a good opportunity to maximize your growth by copying the portfolio of a successful investor, check out the first link in the description. You'll find which assets are most likely to rise in the mid to long term, leaving you with much better returns than those of most investors. Let's dive into some real-life stories that showcase the incredible potential gains in the stock market. These personal anecdotes not only highlight the financial rewards, but also the emotional impact of successful investments. Meet Sarah, a young investor who decided to dip her toes into the stock market. With a modest investment in a tech company she believed in, over time her investment grew exponentially, turning her initial $1,000 into a substantial five-figure sum. This windfall not only boosted Sarah's financial security, but also gave her the confidence to pursue her dream of starting her own business. Then there's Mark, a seasoned trader who navigated the market with precision and skill. Through diligent research and strategic decision-making, Mark was able to capitalize on market trends and turn a series of small investments into a substantial portfolio. His success not only transformed his financial situation, but also allowed him to retire early and pursue his passion for philanthropy. These stories serve as a reminder of the transformative power of the stock market. Whether you're looking to secure your financial future or pursue your dreams, investing wisely in the market can open up a world of possibilities. Understanding the fundamental investing principles is crucial before diving into the world of trading. By equipping yourself with basic knowledge, you can make informed decisions that set you up for success in the stock market. Basic investing knowledge plays a pivotal role in guiding your investment choices. By grasping concepts such as risk management, diversification, and fundamental analysis, you can navigate the market with confidence and clarity. This knowledge empowers you to identify promising investment opportunities and steer clear of potential pitfalls. It's essential to focus on building a strong foundation in investing before venturing into trading. By starting with the basics, you lay the groundwork for a sustainable and profitable investment strategy. Taking the time to learn about different asset classes, investment vehicles, and market dynamics can help you make sound decisions that align with your financial goals. Trading without understanding the basics can expose you to significant risks. Without a solid understanding of key investing principles, you may fall prey to market volatility, make impulsive decisions, or overlook critical factors that impact your investments. By prioritizing learning the basics, you can safeguard your financial future and set yourself up for long-term success in the stock market. Significant shareholders hold a considerable influence over a company's growth trajectory and valuation in the stock market. Understanding the role of these key stakeholders is essential. For investors looking to make informed decisions, large shareholders often wield significant power in influencing corporate decisions. Their ownership stakes give them a say in matters such as strategic direction, executive appointments, and major business transactions. By leveraging their voting rights and board representation, significant shareholders can shape the future of a company and drive its growth prospects. The control exerted by major shareholders can have a direct impact on a company's stock performance. Positive actions taken by influential shareholders, such as injecting capital, implementing strategic initiatives, or advocating for shareholder-friendly policies, can boost investor confidence and drive stock prices higher. Conversely, conflicts or controversies involving significant shareholders can lead to volatility and uncertainty in the market. Understanding the dynamics of significant shareholders is crucial for investors seeking to navigate the stock market effectively. By monitoring shareholder activities, assessing their motivations, and staying informed about ownership structures, investors can gain valuable insights into a company's potential for growth and value creation. Being attuned to the power of significant shareholders can help investors make more informed decisions and position themselves for success in the dynamic world of investing. When it comes to the stock market, understanding the distinctions between investing and trading is essential for making informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Let's delve into the key disparities between these two approaches and the considerations to keep in mind. Investing involves a long-term commitment to holding onto assets with the expectation of gradual growth over time. It requires patience, research, and a strategic outlook to weather market fluctuations and capitalize on long-term trends. On the other hand, trading is a more short-term active approach that involves buying and selling assets frequently to capitalize on market volatility and short-term price movements. Successful trading demands a significant time investment as traders need to stay informed about market developments, analyze data, and execute trades swiftly and decisively. It also requires a deep understanding of technical analysis, risk management, and market psychology to navigate the fast-paced nature of trading effectively. Before deciding between investing and trading, it's crucial for viewers to assess their financial goals, risk tolerance, and time commitment. While investing may be suitable for those seeking long-term wealth accumulation and stability, trading appeals to individuals looking for more active, potentially higher-risk opportunities. By understanding the nuances of investing versus trading and aligning their strategies with their goals, viewers can make informed choices that set them on the path to financial success in the stock market. Active participation in the stock market community can be a game changer for investors looking to enhance their knowledge, network with like-minded individuals, and stay informed about market trends. Let's explore the benefits of engaging with the stock market community and how it can contribute to your success as an investor. One of the key advantages of connecting with the stock market community is the opportunity to learn from others' experiences and insights. By engaging with fellow investors, you can gain valuable perspectives, discover new investment strategies, and stay abreast of market developments. Sharing knowledge and seeking advice within the community can help you make more informed decisions and navigate the complexities of the stock market with confidence. Networking within the stock market community also opens doors to potential collaborations, mentorships, and investment opportunities. Building relationships with experienced investors, industry experts, and fellow enthusiasts can provide you with valuable connections that may lead to new investment ideas or partnerships. Continuous learning and networking are essential components of success in the stock market. By actively participating in the stock market community, you can expand your knowledge, broaden your perspectives, and stay ahead of the curve in an ever-evolving market landscape. So don't hesitate to engage with the stock market community, share your experiences, and embrace the wealth of opportunities that come with being part of a vibrant and supportive network. As we wrap up our discussion on investing in the stock market and making money through trading, let's recap the key points and empower you to take action towards your financial goals. Starting with small investments in strong companies and building a solid foundation of basic investing knowledge are crucial steps on your journey to financial growth. By understanding the fundamentals and approaching the market with a strategic mindset, you can set yourself up for success and navigate the complexities of investing with confidence. We invite you to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights, tips, and strategies to help you thrive in the stock market. By staying informed and continuously learning, you can stay ahead of market trends and make informed decisions that align with your financial objectives. It's time to take the next step towards financial empowerment. Engage with the stock market community, seek advice, share experiences, and network with like-minded individuals who share your passion for investing. By actively participating in the stock market community and taking proactive steps towards your financial growth, you can unlock a world of opportunities and pave the way for a brighter financial future. Remember, the journey to financial success begins with a single step. So why not take that step today?